All right, guys, I'm going to show you really quickly what this assignment looks like. It is not hard at all, but it may just need a little refresher. So you've got two activities. It's the Algebra 2 NTI Day 6, solving by graphing. So the first one you're going to go into, they're always going to be in slope-intercept form. And if you guys have forgotten, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where this plus b is our y-intercept, okay, where we start on the y-axis, and the m then is my slope. All right, so let's look here and see on this first one. The b is -3, so I'm going to put my dot here on the -3. And my slope, we don't see the 1 there, but the 1 is there, right? We remember if there's no coefficient, it's really it's positive, so it's +1. So we're going to go up 1 over 1. Okay, so that's my first one. And my second term is I start at 5. So I'm going to put my first dot on the 5, and then my slope is -3/2. So from this point of the 5, I'm going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3, and it's a negative slope, so it has to go downhill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. And then the question is, what is the solution? So we're going to put parentheses because remember it's an ordered pair, and my ordered pair is going to be this point right there, which is my x is 5 and my y is 2. So my answer is 5 and 2. So I'm going to put 5, 2 and submit my answer. All that stuff before we submit so we can kind of see. All right. And so that's what that's going to look like. I'm going to do one more really quickly, and then I'm going to show you the next thing because the next thing's really simple too. So in your head, I want you to think before I mark on it is what's the b? Remember, it's the thing that's without the x, so I'm starting at the 4. And again, on this one, my slope is a 1 because there's nothing there, so I'm going to go up 1 over 1. For my second equation, my b is -6, so I'm going to have to put my first dot on the -6, and then my slope is from that point is -3 over 2. So from that point, we're going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3 over 2. Remember, it goes downhill. I can see then that where it intersects, because that is the solution. If I look at that, I'm at -4 for the x, and then it didn't go up at all for the y, so my solution is -4 and 0. So I'm going to put parentheses, -4, 0, and if you all practiced this yesterday, you got used to the points. All right, so that should be pretty simple. You're only going to do 8 of those problems. They shouldn't take you very long. The second one is really simple. You've just not seen it, but remember, we're looking at system solutions, and I talked about that on the video yesterday. Solutions for a system is not where we cross the x-axis, but it is where the two lines intersect. Remember, solution means intersection for a systems. So it's where they intersect. Okay. If we were just finding the solution of the line or the parabola, it would be the x-axis, but it's not here. Here's a solution. That's where they meet. And there's a solution. So this first solution here, if we look from the x, we went over -1. And then we were up at the 3, the +3. So that's one of the solutions. For this one, we went to the 3 and we went down to -5. So this intersects twice. So I'm going to put those 2 points here, -1 and 3, and 3 and -5. All right, and it's as simple as that. All right, so you're just looking for the points of intersection. If you all have any trouble or questions, please track me down tomorrow. All right, have a great weekend. Make good choices.